We've been driving around, singing songs way too loud because we wanna. Picking up a lot of friends, fill up the car till it bends because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long.
Bago ako Belen, welcome to Warren, Pampanga. Guys, para sa video na to, welcome to Balay Moderno.
We don't need nobody's attention, we just wanna dance on our own.
Right, so umpisahan natin ang ating tour dito sa kanilang pool area. So just to let you know guys, si Balay Moderno has two villas. So yung villa number 1 po natin opened almost a year ago. And then villa number 2 naman, or Balay Moderno number 2, opened just this year. Tayo yung isa sa mga unang gumamit ng villa na to. So again, in here, yung pool area natin is right over here. Meron siyang parang sunken garden. And then meron din siyang billiards table, which is this one. We also have yung kitchen and sink, counter table, eto. So you can prepare your food here, wash the dishes over here. Mga cabinets natin, you can use them. Meron din tayo ditong refrigerator, which is this one. So we have a water dispenser. And then moving forward, dito sa banda na to, so ayan, ito yung papunta dun sa accommodations area natin, yung mga rooms. This place is actually for the CR, the toilet, and wash area. And then dito rin sa baba, meron tayong dining table. Now this one, so big, it can accommodate up until 8. Again, moving forward, dito sa banda na to, ito yung ating communal area, outdoor living room, pang entertainment din. So you have your flat screen TV, and then at the back, ayan, so na-enjoy natin yung pool. I think one of the biggest accommodation na na-feature din natin, and at the same time, ang laki ng mga accommodations, yung mga room. Very surprisingly. So ayun, panig tayo guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo bakit kami na-surprise. At eto nga yun guys, isa sa dalawang rooms na pwede nyo pong ma-accommodate dito po sa Balay Moderno. Now this room is actually one of the biggest rooms sa mga accommodations na na-feature namin guys. So if you notice, meron silang double decks na higaan dito. Now each bed can accommodate 2 people, and we have 2, 4, 6, 8 slots yung pwede pong matulog dito. So most probably this is 16 up until 20 siguro na tao pwede pong matulog dito. And they are separated by yung mga chairs natin papunta dun sa second level. Now this room also has its own toilet and bath. Grabe, ang ganda. Like I said guys, this is one of the biggest room na pwedeng ma-accommodate ng isang staycation na na-feature namin. Let's go to the master's bedroom. Ito naman po siya. Now, this one, difference niya dun sa unang room na pinuntahan natin. This one has 1 king size bed. Ayan, no? So dito siguro 3 until 4 if you have, you know, small family, yun yung ma-accommodate nyo dito. What I can say about this room, it's grabe, very minimalist. Pero you stay here, para kang nag-stay na rin sa mga hotel. Ganon siya kaganda pagkaka-design. And this one has its own toilet and bath. There you go. Nice. Sa tingin ko, dito kami matutulog. Pipilit ko talaga, dito kami matutulog.